Hello, ladies and gentlemen. You guys are welcome to my new tutorial. It's been a while. So today we're going to be dabbling into photography. There are some days you took a picture and the picture is not showing the right colors, and probably maybe you forgot to set up your color corrections and the sharpness and everything. So right now, this is a quick tip on how to quickly correct or balance the color of your photo, or balancing your photo. So let's quickly get into it. Okay, I have some pictures that a friend of mine took and was really really bad. Okay, let's check out. This is raw picture, and look at this image is right here. This image is showing too much of the blue cyan kind of. So it's very easy. This is what you just do. Check. You see this place? There's a lot of control. If you shoot on raw, also if you don't shoot on raw, you can always go into Photoshop, you know, color balance, and you can always set the temperature and your tint to this. But quick one, let's just put this at around, let's say 4.5. Wow, surprisingly our image is back to normal. So you can always add a little bit of the magenta. If you want to lower it, you see the way we go down more, if we go up more. But right now we're just going to do -10. Yes, and boom, you can click done, or you can actually open the image in Photoshop and do whatever you want to do on it. So if this is really really helpful, I just want to be doing short tips for you guys. Any other questions you have on photography, I shoot on raw. So let's get to work and I'll be glad to help you. Don't forget to click on the notification button right there. All right, see you guys next time.